Hey guys, what's up? So today we got another bus update for you. Let's see what's going on today. So, I guess first thing I'll start off with is I totally just realized before coming here that I had done a video probably 3 weeks ago that I had totally forgot about, and it's on my computer, haven't even edited it, that I swore I uploaded, but obviously I did not, so that'll be coming. I did it the week when I did the review of the Vision Plush bus, so it's been a while, and I totally forgot I had it filmed and everything. I honestly thought I uploaded it and just didn't even realize it, but so that'll be coming. I'm here today. Got a few videos I'm going to be doing. As you guys probably saw, we had a scheduled video today, as in Friday, and then 2 days ago on Wednesday. So I've got a bunch of stuff that I need to edit and upload, and that's my plan with the videos I've got. I'm going to probably just schedule them throughout the next few weeks, so that way you guys are getting probably 2 videos a week at the minimum. So there's that. Last bus update, we found that there was a bird with a nest. Kind of an update with that. Before I show you the nest, last week I actually decided to move some windows around. So we've got 2 windows here now. So it's kind of keeping the birds out, so that way they don't go in there and nest and die and whatever else. And then down here where the 2 windows are missing, there are 2 big tables in there that are holding seat fabric up against. There's kind of a gap right there, which I guess they could fly in, but I'm hoping that this here will kind of keep them away from it. So that's temporary. Right now, Peter actually was kind enough to get me another window, so I'll eventually have another window, and it'll just be 1 window that needs to be replaced. And at that point, I might start cleaning the inside of 3, because before I start putting things in the actual bus, I want to obviously clean up some of the bird poop and stuff like that, and kind of clean in. I need to sweep out the bus with all the dust and stuff that's in there. So you can see I've got the door not closed, but just kind of closed to keep birds from flying in. So if we push in on the door a little bit, we'll go ahead and go in here. I checked this entire bus to see if there were any dead birds anywhere. I did not see the dead mama bird that was on this nest. So I think it's gone, which is kind of sad because it left 2 eggs behind. As you guys can see there are actually 2 eggs in that nest. So gonna have to get rid of that. Definitely gonna have to clean off the top of this filing cabinet and see what else. They have, I don't know if you can really tell, but there is some twigs and stuff under there that have fallen. I don't know if they were pushing the nest or what they're doing, but there's also some over there. You can't really see it, but this nest was built up a lot more when I was here last week. It's kind of gone down a little bit for some reason. So there's that. But looking around, there's no dead bird in here, so I think it flew out and has not come back. So I'm gonna have to do that. You can see where they've used the seat as their own bathroom, so I'm gonna have to clean that up, obviously, and I want to clean this guard up since it's the last one from this bus. And the plan here is, like I've said before, I want to get rid of the lift. I kind of want to sweep the floor because the floor is pretty dirty. And I just want to clean it up a little bit. I want to get rid of this siding that my dad put in here. You can see on the floor where they've, let it go. And I obviously want to clean that up. Here's what the inside of that looks like with the tables and the seating fabric. So yeah, there's that. Outside of that, as you guys probably saw the post, I've got a few cases of, 1 case of Matchbox, and then 2 cases of Hot Wheels coming. I don't know when they'll be here because they haven't shipped yet, but once they do get here, I will, looks like I will be doing an unboxing, as most of you voted for. It'll probably be getting done on 66, since that's where I do most of my videos now. And yeah, so with that being said, we're gonna go back to 66. I don't believe there's anything else I need to talk about. Trying to think. No. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just, you know, tell you what's going on this week with the buses and all of that. I'm here. Like I said, I got 2 videos I'm gonna do as soon as I finish this one. And off the top of my head, I know I've got 1 video ready to upload right now, and probably, I think, 4 other videos that need to be edited, and then, well, 5, because there's that other video I was talking about earlier that I totally forgot about, plus the 2 videos I'm going to do today, so that'll be about 7 videos that I'll be putting up. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope everyone's staying safe out there, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, so quick add-on to bus update. This is Sunday, so I filmed the first part of the bus update on Friday, so we're back here on Sunday. So if you're wondering what the tape is, I put the tape here to enclose the original Laidlaw lettering that was there. It wasn't Laidlaw Transit, it was just the standard italicized Laidlaw. And for a while now I had been thinking about putting this on here to kind of, you know, bring it back for historical purposes. The weird thing about 66 though is, unlike most of our buses, it never had Laidlaw Transit Warren County. This right here would have been put on the bus, so it would have been Laidlaw Transit and then right under Warren County. That's why a lot of our first gens say Warren County, because they took off where Laidlaw Transit was. So I've got it on here. I've pressed it on there pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off here in a few minutes, and I will show you guys the after result. But I wanted to add this into the bus update so you guys could see it. Alright, so here we have the finished product. So the L and the T have a little bit of the transfer paper residue on there, but for as old as this vinyl is, that's not to be surprised. So I'll just have to work on getting that off as time goes on, but it looks pretty good on there. Definitely how it should be. Obviously I'm going to take the tape off here in a minute, but you can see how it looks on the bus. Now this is something that, you know, if the bus goes out on the road or something like that, I'll cover it up with a magnet. But I wanted this here just as a, you know, historical kind of thing. Just like how I've got it above the driver's area, I wanted to have it on the outside. So I just wanted to, like I said, add this on to the bus update so you guys could see it. So yeah, with that being said, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the new edition, and yeah.